Right there, the black dog's my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. The other dog's my long-coated German Shepherd Lobo. This is clip 3. It's March 6th. I don't know, probably around 8:30 now. We've been walking through the Mississippi River Valley for about an hour through some fresh snow. It's a beautiful morning. Come along. About 25 degrees right now. Perfect weather for walking around. Come on, you goofballs. Hey, no. Good boy. Kurgan hitting stock mode. Getting ready to pounce on Lobo. Isn't that beautiful down there? The panoramic 360. Morning birds are out in the forest today singing. Soundtrack of my life. Kind of difficult walking through this snow. We got a bunch of rain on top of some old snow before this big chunk hit here, so it's really heavy wet snow. Come on. Kurgan's waiting for Lobo. He's going to pounce on him. Come on, Bo. Good boys. Oh, yes. I had to stop for a minute and relieve my sciatica. It was acting up. The dents and dings we pick up as we age. Think I'm going to end this clip here, clip 3, and start a clip 4 for the final stretch of the walk. If you made it this far, thanks for coming along. Welcome to all the new subscribers to my channel. I pick up around 30 to 50 a day. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you enjoy it. And thanks to all of you who've been here supporting the channel for a while. To my fellow YouTubers whose channels I normally follow, I apologize I haven't been able to keep up. I've just got a lot of stuff going on in my personal life right now that's been tying me up. Thanks for coming along again. Like, subscribe, and share. Again, share, help me grow. Bye.